Are you ready to learn what you want, when you want, how you want, where you want? Well, there is a solution. At Media Training Worldwide, we have more on-demand, video-based communication skills courses, soft skills courses, specializing in this niche than anyone else in the world. Nearly 100 courses, all designed to help you become a better communicator. It can be as specific as you're about to do a telephone interview with a print or online media organization. You don't have to worry about how to look good. You've got to worry about being on the phone, getting the messages across. Perhaps you want to focus on your PowerPoint delivery skills. We have a course for that. Maybe you've been told you interrupt a little too often. Well, we have courses on listening skills as well. The beauty of these on-demand courses is they don't just tell you the concepts, they demonstrate them. You get something from seeing an instructor really demonstrate that you don't get by looking at a book, no matter how good that book might be. And if you have a busy schedule, busy work schedule, home schedule, you can do this nights, weekends, whenever is convenient for you. So if you're ready to improve your communication skills, your soft skills right now, then go ahead, let's start right now.